Chromatography method optimization for 2 parameters. Open your experiments in ACD Spectris processor and perform the appropriate processing for each. Ensure that your peaks are tracked and picked appropriately. You can do so in the table of peaks. Highlight all experiments and push the button to transfer to LC Simulator. Select the desired optimization mode. Verify that the combined table has been populated correctly. Ensure all of the required HPLC parameters are entered. The method can be optimized right away by selecting Yes. To adjust options, select No. The mathematically modeled chromatogram is shown in black. The experimental can be overlaid in green to visually assess the model. Select the desired display. The user can manually adjust the parameters on the resolution map, and the model chromatogram is dynamically updated. This can also be done for %B in the resolution map by selecting it using the right click. The critical pair of peaks for resolution are shown in red. Methods can be generated by clicking the Generate Methods button. You can adjust the desired suitability options. Suitability options can be visualized by clicking Apply. Select OK to generate methods. Each method can be visualized. You can manually modify the generated methods. Select the lock to ensure the original method remains unchanged. Right-click on the resolution map to copy it to the clipboard. The method can be reported, and the modeled chromatogram can be exported back to Spectris processor to compare to the experimental. Method suitability options can be adjusted further if desired. The resulting dialog box asks if you would like to increase the maximal number of steps in the gradient program from 1 to 2 and continue searching. Click Yes. The process can be stopped at any time. Thank you for watching.